Hi everyone, hope you're doing really well. Today, actually, let me turn off the fan. I'm actually about to go to my friend's birthday, but I really wanted to show you my dream board. It is January 4th, 2020 right now, and I wanted to share with you guys my 2019 dream board. I actually had 4 digital dream boards, which I had plastered on my screensaver, which I saw every single day. I want to show you guys what worked for me and what didn't work. Okay, so I'm sorry if I'm rushing, but yeah, I gotta go. I did not get to film, but you know, I figured out more closely what I wanted to do in terms of filming. I actually went to a Gary V conference slash seminar back in October. That was amazing. It gave me so much insight. This was like filming and stuff. I filmed a lot. I booked an afters class, which was crazy for me because I love afters and I'm doing like a week course. So I booked that in 2019, so that's still really cool. And I didn't notice the 1111 there, which is like an angel number. And then Just Living Baby, I love her motivational quotes. I want to be just inspired and motivated as her. I think that I definitely was. I was 99% happy this year. No cappuccino, only flat whites. This is meant to be beauty. I took care of my beauty a lot. That definitely did happen. I'm definitely going to be working harder towards that. I actually got 1.2 million YouTube views. I had almost 1.1 million views, and that's what I meant for this, which is incredible. I didn't get 100k subscribers, but I got a lot of views on 3 of my videos, which I'm really proud about. I traveled a lot this year. I traveled 2 times. I was told to put like me in the center, but I'm gonna stop doing that now because I feel like that's weird. So I wanted to celebrate New Year's in New York and move there. That didn't get to happen, but I am very close to this. This is like enjoying, relaxing, being in the present moment and just having fun, definitely. And the girls by herself, like some things I don't even think about and they happen without me even thinking about them. And then I look back and I'm like, what the hell? Like, yeah. So I was definitely very much learning how to be independently happy. 2019 was definitely a year for that. Did not get that, but I have saved a lot of money this year. So that really helped. Money. Yes, not as much as I have hoped to, but I am getting better. I actually went to Post Malone's concert. This is not what I meant, but I went to his concert. This is like friendships. I actually made a lot of friendships this year, which was like goofy and stuff, which is really cool. Gary V, I watched him basically all year and employed his positivity. 80k, this means something completely different to different aspects, which I'm not going to share. Productivity, oh my god, I literally became so productive. I've never in my life been so productive as I have this year. So that was like, I literally, like, if you go onto my Google Calendar, I have like mapped out what I'm doing every single week, and I followed that, and I'm super proud of myself. And then planning and going on trips and stuff like that, definitely did a lot of that. This is like a photo of selling stuff, which I didn't get to do a lot of this year. This is like my vision of going to New York, which is going to happen. This again is beauty, which I took care of. I wanted to be a step closer to getting a car, which I did not get, but I wasn't working towards that. This is really funny. I literally, as soon as I put this on, I went to a Gymshark conference back in January 2019, and I met her, which is insane, and I didn't even mean for that. Like, I wanted it to be like-minded people that are like going to the gym, which happened to me as well. I became really close with my friend Naz. She's really into fitness, and I went to the gym a lot with Karina, so that was incredible, and Despina as well. So this was like a beauty, stepping out, being in your own skin. I did that. Sweetie, getting your accolades, getting that bag, getting that recognition that you so deserve, and she's so cute, and she's like really happy in that photo. Definitely didn't happen like this, but it really inspired me, and in the ways that it happened for me, this definitely accomplished many things. Like, I was published in Daily Mail, News.com, Nova, Yahoo, and a lot of stuff for 2 different stories, like news articles, which is incredible. And I was a banner story for Daily Mail 2 times, which is amazing. I put like a girl hailing a taxi because I wanted to move to New York. I want to move to New York, and that is happening. It's on its way. I don't want to be a motivational speaker, but I want to just be someone that, you know, says really inspiring things, and she looks like she's fulfilled and focused, you know, inspiring a lot of people. This is literally my favorite outfit of last year. Oh my freaking god. It's literally just like a symbolism of like, I want to dress cute every single day. This is Igor Creed. He is a Russian, it's literally Russian Justin Bieber basically. And I just wanted romance in my life, and just for, you know, cute relationships that did not happen, but you know, whew, I'm glad it didn't, because I really focused on myself and I realized a lot of things. This, oh my god, I literally got an even better version of this in reality, and I cannot be more grateful for this. This was really like went above and beyond. This is so funny because I did not mean for this specifically to happen, but like I really got into journaling. There's a Starbucks. Oh my god, like my dream came true of getting Starbucks. No, I literally started going outside in public and just like sit down and like have coffee and plan things at a cafe. And before, I would be so nervous and just not do that. I'd just be really scared of like people judging me for some reason. Now I look back at it and think like, was I dumb? Like that is the dumbest thing ever. I have been sitting so much in Starbucks cafes and I've never done that before, and it's like mind-blowing. This is traveling with friends. While I did not travel with people. We're in Berlin, Germany, darling. International darling. Internationally booked. I almost went to Thailand at the end of this year, so the end of 2019, but I chose not to go. But before that, I went to all around Europe and Russia and New Zealand, and I met some really great friends. This is like, keep in mind, law of attraction, and definitely this year was the year where I really specifically learned a lot about the law of attraction. Like before, it was very base level stuff. I got close with someone who was really into it. You know, she taught me a lot. I delved deeper into it on YouTube, and I learned a lot about the law of attraction and spirituality in general. This is, you know, being bougie in Paris, and I wanted to travel Europe. The Eiffel Tower was just symbolism of Europe for me. You gotta remember, this is the most important part. It's not just visually what you want, it's what you feel inside. So something that looks like something to the naked eye may mean something completely different to you. Keep in mind, with a grain of salt, that like be careful of what you wish for. If you put out an image on the dream board and you mean it for one way, but you know it looks another, you might get both or either or, you know, so just keep in mind. This is traveling in a huge group, and I went on Kentucky. This is just remembering about God and praying, and I definitely, you know, deepened my relationship with God this year and more spiritual this year, and I'm learning a lot about that, and that makes me really happy. This is breaking the glass ceiling. This is having a hot body, which is, oh my god, yes, I'm on the freaking way. This is literally so scary. I opened my computer after this happened and I was like, I did not put this on my dream board. Like I completely forgot that I put this on my dream board. But okay, I'm gonna be showing you a photo right now of me standing right in front of this. Like I took the photo and it was the same angle of this specific tower, and it was the most iconic moments of my 2019. I remember seeing this on Tumblr in 2013 and I had it saved ever since. Like this literally hit me so hard. These teeth, these are like one of the most straightest teeth that I've ever seen in my entire life, and I have Invisalign, so I really want them to be as straight as possible. I don't have them taken out yet, but very soon, and my teeth are looking really great. Manifest, sometimes I really forget to manifest, and I really didn't want that, and I have been really good. Although I haven't visualized a lot specifically, I have learned a lot about manifesting in this year. I manifested a lot, as you can see. This is money, stating the obvious, and this is just like, I love like seeing women walk across like busy streets, like European streets, New York streets, like cities, like with heels, with a coffee. Like she looks like a boss ass, badass bitch. That's why I have my copyrighted bad bitch juice. Looks like she's about to kill it in her meeting, and this is literally who I want to be and become, and I feel like this was me every single day, honestly. I wanted to portray like sitting down in a cafe and like being cute and always being out with cafes. Like it looks like she's like being taken, like someone's taking a photo who's like her best friend or something. I really wanted, like, you know, go out into cafes with friends, and definitely had that. This is like bougie. Like I just want like friends that are like-minded and like have the same style and taste as me. So this is a house by the beach, and I am getting there. Not last year, but I'm getting there. Same thing for this house, we're getting there. This was like, I wanted lip gloss, and also it symbolizes beauty, and I wanted eyelash extensions. While I got some, I didn't do it permanently, and you know, this just symbolizes beauty. Definitely bettered. Everything happens for a reason, nothing occurs by chance. It's all part of God's divine plan. Learn and trust it and go where he leads you. Okay, so this is definitely something that I really delved deep into and trusted God's plan way more. This is Cardi B getting her accolades, like getting an award. She's happy. This energy. Also, don't forget to have some sort of energy that you like to portray. This photo for me just screamed the energy that I wanted for 2019, and girl, I definitely got it. This is a relationship kind of goal. Didn't get that, but I, again, happy that I didn't. Relationship goals, happy that I did not get that. New York, oh, I am on the way, honey. I am on the way. This is like road trip. Like I didn't want a road trip, but I wanted to go like out into adventures with friends. Like I focused a lot on myself and like my career, but definitely I hung out so much more with my friends than I did in past years, because this is the first year that I'm, you know, single after, you know, 7 years. This is truly the first year of me being single. Again, like working out with like-minded girls that are like just as, you know, fit as me, that can inspire me, that are like-minded. Definitely have that, but I would definitely want more of that in the future. This is like getting pampered, being loved, like being spoiled rotten by, you know, guys and stuff. Didn't get that, but the energy was there. This is like going out, living a lavish life with your friends, like just having a really good, happy, wholesome, loving relationship with friends. Like my 2019 theme was friends. Definitely got that. Again, friends, chilling with friends, hugging, cuddling, like just being really wholesome and having true, genuine, heartfelt friendships. And I think that I definitely got that, and if not just that, I weeded out the people that I didn't need in my life, and I got way more comfortable with cutting people out and making way for the people that are meant to be for me. And trusting in God's timing and thinking, you know, if I don't have them now, then it's in my control to go to classes, go to all these places where I can find like-minded people. This is a 2-in-1 actually. This is like a hot body. Second, like being at the beach. I went way more to the beach this year than last year. And third, like going on a cruise, just like having like a lavish kind of, you know, holiday. I, you know, went on a cruise for my Kentucky on a boat, and I felt really lavish, and it was just really fun. I really enjoyed that. So this is like bonfires. Every time I see like a bonfire, it really like signifies deep conversation. So I just wanted to have deep conversations with people, have deep connections and deep relationships, and I got that. Not as much as I wanted though. Again, this year was really for me just being myself and learning everything about myself. Again, I did not realize how much I put Paris in here, but as I said, Paris is my symbolism of Europe. I didn't necessarily want to specifically go to Paris. Actually, I didn't even want to go to Paris because I've been to Paris before, and my rule is like I don't want to go to somewhere where I've already been, because there's so many places in the world. I just want to keep on going like to somewhere that I've never been to, because I literally want to go to everywhere in the world. Anyways, yes, I definitely hung out with my friends and had wine and, you know, chilled and made beautiful, amazing relationships with people overseas. And that is it. Those were my 4 dream boards. I hope that that gave you some sort of inspiration. I'm so excited for this year, for 2020. I'm gonna go. It is like almost 2:30 a.m. but I love you guys so much, and I hope that this provided you with some value, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.